Here today with a 2017 Volkswagen Passat. Customer complaint of needing a tune-up. So I'm waiting on a customer to come out now with the new parts so we can get them on. So get right back at y'all when I get up under the hood and get started. Alright. Already out. Gotta take off these little ground wires on top of the coils first before you get the nut off. It's kind of like a double. Let me see if I can show y'all one of them. Yeah, so this goes down in here. This holds the coil down, and then that ground wire goes over this, and then you put the nut over it. All of it is a 10 millimeter, so it should be very simple to do. Get right back with y'all when I'm done. I wanted to point one more thing out too, y'all. These been in there a little too long. At first I thought they was melting, but that's just the anti-seize that's on them. Alright, no problem then, that's just the anti-seize. But as y'all see, the old ones was definitely shot. So we're gonna get these new ones in there. Get right back with y'all when I get them in. Alright gang, y'all done with the coils. Well, spark plugs on this 2017 Passat. So everything tightened back up like it was supposed to be. Gonna get this engine cover back on also. Left that off so I can show y'all what was going on. Waiting on my customer to get back now so we can get the get the car started and everything. She actually bought some of this too. Alright, so I want y'all to see the lights that's on. Look like more like airbag light, tire pressure. We got traction control light and the steering angle sensor. So far it says no powertrain, so let's see, because I know we got something. I have to do a full scan.
If they're always talking about they jealous of you, maybe y'all just going through a break.
Alright, just sent my customer on a test drive. She got a tire pressure light and a traction light that's on. I'm not sure what that could be. We're gonna find out. We just did the tune-up and she got a steering angle sensor code on the dash and an ABS code. So that don't have nothing to do with the tune-up that she says she needed, but I'm definitely gonna make sure I don't leave without her knowing exactly what it is. It's her pulling up now. So it's actually running good and everything. Just trying to get these lights off, make sure that it ain't causing another issue. But I get right back with y'all.